Those are things that I probably could go without. Hi you guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Capriella Nissa and I am back with my second portion of the Fenty hair review. If you guys so happen to miss out on the first video, I will link it up here because there were a few items that I did use and there were a few items that I didn't use. This video is solely for the items that I did not use, so you definitely want to catch up on this video. My remarks, first things first, this is 3-day curls of my hair. I haven't really done much to it. I use this particular curl defining cream, which is the Homecurl by Fenty Hair, to style my coils. It is a very gentle, soft styler. However, I did mention earlier that I do feel like it does need a little help and assistance as far as holding and keeping the mold of your curls. I don't have any flakes or lumps of like product in my hair at all. It dries completely clear. There is no residue of this particular product. I do feel like my hair is very hydrated still. All I do is spray my hair and mist it with some water. Other than that, I feel like my hair is very hydrated to the touch. Like I still feel like I feel the product and it's very, it has some slip still to it, even though it may appear to be dry, but my hair still feels very moisturized. So I very much so love this product. Definitely a winning product in my book. However, the next time I will be doing my wash and goes with finger coiling my hair, I will be pairing it with my Dew Mousse Deft Texture Foam because this is my all-time favorite curling foam. So I like to use this particular foam and I'm going to pair these together and see how that works. Maybe we'll catch that in another video if you guys like. My remarks on the richer one, which is the Moisture Repair Deep Conditioner. I used this in my last wash. I won't be using it in this particular video. I'm going to be giving the other conditioners a try. The treatment as well as the regular conditioner, which is the rich one, and the comeback kit. This particular product did not have as much slip, so I am going to be trying those other two and kind of like double teaming the conditioning and moisture part of this line because I didn't feel like I got enough hydration out of here. If any, it was very minimal and lightweight. So hopefully this will give me the double duty with using the regular, the rich one, and the comeback kit treatment. So hopefully I will get the moisture that I'm looking for. As far as the controlling type hair thickening edge control gel, I did use that to style and slick my edges. I feel like my edges would have lasted a little bit longer had I wrapped up my edges and, you know, tie them up at night, but it kind of just came apart. However, I'm not mad at it because for someone who recently just had a hair transplant, I don't like having hair gel stuck on my head and having extra gunk build up, product build up on my hairline. And as you can see, I have no product build up whatsoever. It's dry. I can still pick at it, play with it, and do whatever I want with my hairline. So I really love the fact that this is very versatile. It's gonna hold, but it's not going to cake you up like most hair gels. So really love the fact that this is a very gentle, soft styler and gets the job done for the day. Moving on, I am going to be incorporating these 3 items together. I'm going to be washing my hair with the Rich One Moisture Repair Shampoo and the Rich One Conditioner. I also will be using the comeback kit, which is an instant damage repair treatment. So hopefully these 2 products here will be able to give me double moisture that I'm looking for. Hopefully. As far as I know, the washes aren't as fully hydrating as I like them to be. So hopefully if I double up with this one, I'll be able to get that. We'll see. Lastly, I am going to be applying some heat to my hair using the Protective Type 5-in-1 Heat Protected Styler. I am going to be using that with my hair as I blow dry it and straighten my hair today with you guys. So without further ado, let's get right into this hair wash and hairstyle. So let's get into the second wash this time. This time I had a different reaction from the Rich One Moisture Repair Shampoo.
This time I felt a little bit more hydration, and that's why my face looks the way it did, because I'm like, she coming around. She finally coming around. The first impressions of the Rich One Moisture Repair Conditioner, I felt like it was the same amount of hydration as the shampoo, which I felt like it shouldn't be as equal. If anything, the conditioner should have gave a little bit more. My comb out situation was a lot better than the last time, and I had coils this time. And I went in with the comeback kit, and I feel like if you have really thick hair, this bottle is not going to last you too long. But the consistency of this repair treatment, it is not thick, it is not super thin either. It's kind of in between, and I didn't get as much shedding, and I left it in for about 5 minutes and I rinsed it out. And FYI to all the people who are watching, curious about the ingredients and products, they do happen to have all the ingredients online for you to look up and see. And these products do have amino acids in them, which do have bonds of protein. Right here, I'm just showing you a demonstration of the QR codes that are on the bottle. You do not have any instructions that come along with the products, but this does not specify that it is a leave-in conditioner. Just wanted to show you guys, but I do feel like it was quite moisturizing for you to use if you wanted to as a leave-in. So do what you will with that information. I'm currently applying the 5-in-1 heat styler, and I am just rough drying my hair. Once my hair became 90% dry, I then used my comb attachment to comb it out. The 5-in-1 styler is a water-based product as well as the gel. The product should definitely be applied when your hair is damp, or if you're okay with your hair reverting slightly wavy. But I just wanted to show you guys the curls and the natural sheen of this hair, no frizz. But my ends are terrible, so I decided to just do my V-part wig. Honestly, if I had my ends trimmed, this definitely would have been a really great silk press. I am quite impressed with the way this product held up. So for the heat protectant, I probably would rate this a good 8.5, just because I can't apply it to dry hair. For the final touches, I did use some hair gel just to tame my edges very softly, and this is my look.
So I did manage to finish my hair, and I decided to wear my V-part wig because I wasn't liking the way my ends were looking, because I'm in desperate need of a trim. But I am going to go over the products that I used today specifically. Starting with my wash, I did use the original The Rich One Moisture Repair shampoo and conditioner today. The last time I washed my hair, I used this and the Deep Conditioning Moisturizing Repair Treatment. I honestly believe that this particular line is a line that you have to use or incorporate multiple products in order for the whole thing to come together, honestly. Because after using this shampoo for the second time, I got a little moisture during the shampoo for some reason. The last one, when I washed my hair previously, I didn't get as much moisturizing from it, but I did get some hydration and moisture from this particular shampoo. So I don't know if it was the curl cream that allowed the hydration to kind of like stick and keep working for this to kind of be like a cycle back, if that makes sense. I don't know if I'm throwing you guys off, but I honestly feel like this was a moisturizing shampoo this time. Now, as far as the Rich One Moisture Repair Conditioner, I will say that it was kind of the same level as this. Was it a lot of moisture? No, kind of about the same. A little bit more hydrating than the last time I washed my hair, but it was a little bit more hydrating, and that's about it. But I would say about a 7.5, if I will, for moisture level on pretty much all the washing products, honestly. I did also use the Comeback Kid Instant Damage Repair Treatment. I did let that sit in my hair for 5 minutes and then I rinsed it out. Did I see anything spectacular about it? Not really. I feel like it kind of did just the same as this in my personal opinion, but honestly I feel like over time these products would or should get better over time of using. So I've been using these products for a good week now to know, you know, how I feel about them for just a little while, but I feel like I need to use them a little bit more to get a feel for if it is a necessary need or not. But I know one thing that I'm not going to go without is the Homecurl cream. Love, love, love. That hydrates my hair, makes my hair feel so soft, and it smells incredible. I can't stop preaching about it. And of course, after washing my hair, I did incorporate the Protective Type 5-in-1 hair styler to do my hair styling. I blow dried my hair and I put a flat iron to my real hair. I will say this is a little moisturizing, so if you are looking for a leave-in conditioner, I had that issue last time, but I feel like you could probably get away with adding this as a leave-in conditioner as well. So yeah, I definitely like this. When I did blow dry my hair and flat iron it, I did feel like there was a very nice natural sheen to my hair. I did see that it did reduce some frizz and whatnot, but I am in desperate need of a trim, so I wasn't gonna go out like that. You guys weren't gonna roast me, so I did not wear my hair out. I decided to just add my V-part wig, but it is blending in seamlessly, and I normally would have like frizzy like little pieces on the ends of my hair, but I don't, and I really love that. So I will say that frizzing was slightly reduced when it comes to this particular product. I also tamed my edges again using the Controlling Type Hair Thickening Edge Control Gel. This is kind of one of my favorite gels, honestly, for just that soft styling. Like, it doesn't look like I did it on purpose, if that makes sense. Like, I feel like it is a very soft, gentle hold. It is not gunky, it is not flaky, it is not white casted or anything like that. It does the job, and it does not leave any product buildup. It honestly just kind of just fades away over time, but super duper hydrating is what I can say about this edge control. I did put some on my straightened hair. As you guys can see, it did wave up a little bit with using this product. Some people had a lot of questions regarding this particular edge control, if it will revert your hair from straight to curly, and I will say yes, your hair will get slightly wavy. If you don't mind that, then that's great. But yeah, that's just my thoughts. All in all, I think the washing products are pretty decently okay. I give those a hard 7.5 just because I am someone who really enjoys a lot of moisture. Moisture. I need my moisture to be on 20 for my needs. It was okay. Honestly, I just feel like over time, maybe these products will continue to help replenish my hair, make it stronger and not break. But I do feel like those are things that I probably could go without, to be honest. Even though I didn't use the Homecurl product in this video, I'm still going back to these two. These are still my top 2 favorite products. So out of all the things that I got, honestly, I would say these are my top 2 staples that I would go and get and buy again. Are the other products worth buying? In my opinion, I'll let you be the judge for that. However, one incredible pro about this whole thing is that it smells incredibly amazing. Like, even if you feel like you're having a bad day, you might get a whiff of your hair at night during the day while you're out and about, and you might say, I might look crazy, but I smell good. That's the vibes I get from this whole collection. Like, if you didn't do nothing right, your hair smells amazing. I'm gonna say that. And of course, it's Rihanna, so she did us right by the fragrance. I don't know if you guys are sensitive to any fragrances or anything like that, but it is very powerful. It is in pretty much, it has its own little potency of fragrance in every individual item other than the edge control. So just letting you guys know. Well, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I hope it was very informative, and I hope it did not disappoint, because I am here to just spill the tea of what I personally feel, how I felt like the hairline treated me personally. If you guys have any questions or comments, please let me know down below in the comments. Also, be sure to make sure you guys are subscribed, hit the bell notification and the thumbs up, just so you will be notified whenever I upload my next video. And if you have not caught up from the last Fenty hair review, make sure you click this video here because it is something you want to watch. But watch one of these.